Hey everyone! In this video, we're kicking off an exciting new series on JdbcClient, the modern way to work with JdBC in Spring Boot. It was introduced in Spring Framework 6.1 and is available from Spring Boot 3.2 onwards. If you've used JdbcTemplate or named parameter JdbcTemplate before, you'll love this new fluent and cleaner alternative. In this series, we'll walk through how to set up JdbcClient, writing all your CRUD operations, using named parameters, row mappers, and a much more readable query style. If you're looking for less boilerplate, more readable and modern code, and full control over your SQL, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of JdbcClient and see what makes it so powerful. Let's talk about what JdbcClient is. So, what is JdbcClient? JdbcClient is a new SQL Access API introduced in Spring Boot 3.2. It's designed to simplify interactions with relational databases using plain SQL, and it removes much of the boilerplate and complexity that comes with a traditional JdBC template. In simple terms, it's a cleaner, more readable, and fluent alternative to both JdbcTemplate and named parameter JdbcTemplate. This means your SQL code becomes easier to write, understand, and maintain. Imagine you no longer have to struggle with awkward method chains and hard-to-read code. JdbcClient gives you a modern API that aligns with current best practices. It's all about simplicity, readability, and a modern approach to database interactions in Spring Boot. Alright, let's talk about does JdbcClient support positional parameters ? Yes, JdbcClient supports them just like JdbcTemplate does. You can use the familiar ? placeholders in your SQL queries. For example, you can write query like select * from users where ID equals ? This works exactly the same way as it does in JdbcTemplate, making query execution easy and straightforward. So, if you're already comfortable with positional parameters, you'll find transitioning to JdbcClient a breeze. Let's talk about named parameters. It also supports named placeholders, just like named parameter JdbcTemplate. You can write queries the same way. Alright, so what else does JdbcClient bring to the table? Let's break it down real quick. Built-in row mapping. It can automatically map your SQL results to Java records or use a row mapper if you want custom mapping. Easy method chaining. You can fluently chain methods, which makes the code cleaner and easier to read. Supports multiple methods. It works with all the familiar methods like query and update, so nothing new to memorize. Keyholder support. Yes, you can still use keyholder to get auto-generated keys when inserting data. Transaction-friendly. JdbcClient plays nicely with Spring's transaction management, connection pooling, and all those goodies behind the scenes. Cool, right? It's like JdbcTemplate, but smarter and cleaner. Alright, quick summary. In this video, we explored what JdbcClient is, how it's a modern and cleaner alternative to JdbcTemplate and named parameter JdbcTemplate, and we saw some of its powerful features like named parameters, method chaining, built-in row mapping, and keyholder support. In the next video, we'll get hands-on and see how to insert data using JdbcClient with real examples. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more awesome Spring Boot content. See you in the next one.